Well, hello from Pal Family Farm again. This is Ralphie. Today we're in the office, and it's a little different view than you guys have seen so far. But we got some goodies arrived in the mail, ones that I had talked about before. And so we're just going to do a little opening and showing of these new things. Here we have the Hohem camera gimbal to hopefully get us some better shots. So we'll see what's inside here. I have already previously opened these and kind of taken a look at them, but it's got a little tripod accessory here, all your charging cables needed, and this is the gimbal itself. Now, there's quite a few features with this thing. There's definitely going to be some learning curves. This is a 3-axis gimbal, so if you guys will bear with me when I'm doing the videos, I'll try to do some editing and second takes that I need to get things fixed, so that learning to get those good, better quality shots. So it does have another feature to where you can charge your camera. Also, it comes with a secondary cord here to take and plug your camera in. It's got the clasp, the secure clasp here to hold any style of the action cams, which is primarily what I use for all of the footage, is a small action cam. So we'll see how that performs out in the field after we get it all charged up and I read up on it and figure out how to use it. Now, another little goodie that this one here and this one is a small drone. So it's got the 4 blade pods that pop out, and this has several features. It's got a tracking feature, it's got lights, LED lights, it's got a small camera on it right here that takes footage, but you have to sync it to an app on your phone. Another large learning curve for me on trying to learn how to utilize and operate this to the best of its abilities and my abilities. It's got the manual remote here as well, and all your basic functions and things like that for operating the drone. It came with 3 of these batteries that charge really quickly, and that gives 42 minutes of flight time between all 3 batteries. And it came with all the backup stuff. It's got the blade guards here that hook onto there so that if you hit anything it doesn't break your blades. It came with extra blades for the props and a little tool and extra motors, drives for the blades. And so as we learn and sync and figure all of this stuff out, then hopefully we can start getting a little bit different and better footage, better quality videos for you guys to be able to watch. So until next time, enjoy the beauty.